Grandpa's got a flat on his KLR, and in about 7 minutes and 30 seconds, he's going to show you how he repairs it and gets it back on the road using a Vivo hydraulic lift jack and a Baja no pinch tool. Links to those products are in the description. The axle bolt and speedometer cable are removed. The valve stem core is removed, and if there was any air in the tube, it is deflated. There's the valve stem core. Then a wrench is used to remove the nut that holds the valve stem in. With a little weight with the heels of a boot, you can break the bead on the tire. And then jacks are used to pry off one side of the tire from the rim. The tube is pulled out. And it may be repairable. You'd have to inflate it and check for leaks, but I just put a new tube in. Here I am feeling for anything that might explain why the tube got punctured. A new tube is then partially inflated and pushed inside the tire. The valve stem then pushed out through the hole in the rim, and a nut put on the valve stem to keep it in place. Then the remaining part of the tube is pushed inside the tire. Now to lubricate the rim and edge of the tire with soapy water. It makes putting the tire back on the rim easier. And here is the Baja no pinch tool, making this job a lot easier. The tool has a lever that pushes the edge of the tire down over the rim and does not touch the tube, so you don't have to worry about pinching the tube and putting another hole in it. The final part of the tire is the most difficult. You'll hear it pop over the edge of the rim here in a second. Air it up, 21 psi. Check for air pressure. Install the new tire and tube on the bike. First, the speedometer cable. And the axle bolt. Then the set screws are tightened with an Allen wrench. And the axle bolt tightened to make sure it's at the adequate tightness. Valve cap put on and the bike lowered.